In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop images in Microsoft Word, a skill that can enhance the visual appeal of your documents. Whether you're preparing a report, creating a presentation, or simply personalizing your documents, knowing how to fine-tune your images directly in Word can save you time and make your work stand out. First things first, let's get Microsoft Word open on your computer. To do this, start at the very beginning, which may seem quite basic, but bear with me as it's an essential part of the process. Head over to the Windows Start menu. You can do this by clicking the Start button located, typically, at the bottom left corner of your screen. It's the one with the Windows logo. As soon as you click on it, a menu pops up, showcasing a variety of applications and options. Once the Start menu is open, your next move is to find Microsoft Word. To make this search as quick and efficient as possible, simply start typing Word in the search bar the moment the Start menu pops up. The search bar is pretty intuitive and will start showing you results as soon as you begin typing, making it an effective way to navigate through your computer's many applications. Now, as you type Word, you'll see Microsoft Word appear in the list of search results. It's usually accompanied by the distinctive Word icon, which should make it easily recognizable. Click on Microsoft Word to open it. If you've followed these steps correctly, you'll soon find yourself looking at Word's welcoming screen, ready to get to work. Next, you'll want to either open a new document or select an existing one where you intend to crop an image. If you're starting fresh, simply click on New Document, which creates a blank canvas for you to work with. If you're working on an existing document, navigate to where it's saved and open it up. Now that your document is open and you're ready to work with your image, the first thing you'll need to do is click on the image you wish to crop. Once your image is selected, a new set of tools becomes available to you in Word's toolbar. Look for the Picture Format tab. This is where you'll find all sorts of tools related to image formatting, including, most importantly for our purposes, the crop feature. Upon clicking on Picture Format, you'll see various options, but what you're looking for is the crop tool. It might seem daunting at first with all those options, but once you find it, click on it to initiate the cropping process. The moment you click crop, your image will be bordered by a set of black cropping handles. These handles are your key to customizing your image. They allow you to adjust the dimensions of your image, letting you keep only the parts you want to be visible in your document. To crop your image, click and drag these handles. You can drag them inward or outward depending on the area of the image you wish to keep or remove. This process isn't just about cutting off unwanted parts. It's an opportunity to focus on the most important elements of your image, ensuring they play their role in your document's overall design and message. Don't rush this step. Take your time to adjust and readjust as necessary. The great thing about cropping images in Word is the flexibility it offers. If you make a mistake or aren't happy with your initial attempt, you can always click on the image and readjust the cropping handles until you're satisfied with the result. Once you're happy with how your image looks, simply click anywhere outside the image to finalize the crop. And just like that, you've successfully cropped your image in Microsoft Word, enhancing your document's visual appeal and focusing the viewer's attention exactly where you want it. Remember, experimenting with different cropping strategies can vastly improve the quality and impact of your documents. Whether it's a professional report, a school project, or any other type of document, the ability to customize your images directly in Word is a handy skill that can differentiate your work from the rest. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on how to crop images in Microsoft Word. With these simple steps, you're now equipped to make your documents more engaging and visually appealing. Happy cropping, and don't hesitate to explore more ways to enhance your Word documents.